Can I tell you something that took me way too long to figure out? Investing is not complicated. I know what you're thinking. You've heard that before. And then somebody opens their mouth and starts talking about index funds and expense ratios and asset allocation, and your eyes glaze over and you close the tab. I did that too, for years. Because nobody in my family invested. Nobody sat me down and walked me through it. So every time I tried to learn on my own, it felt like I was trying to read a textbook in a language I didn't speak. Here's what I eventually figured out though. It was never complicated. It was just explained wrong by people who either wanted to seem smart or who wanted you to feel like you needed them to do it for you. You don't. This video is the walkthrough I wish I had when I was 25. No assumptions, no... Well, obviously you know what a brokerage is. We're starting from zero. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what to open, exactly what to buy, and exactly how to set it up so it runs itself. Let's go. Okay. Before anything else, I need to take something off the table. The idea that investing is only for people who already have money. I believed that for a long time. I thought investing was something rich people did with their extra money after everything else was taken care of. Like it was a luxury. Like it was the step that came after you had it figured out. It's actually the opposite. Investing is how regular people like us, build real wealth, not by earning more, not by being lucky, just by starting, being consistent, and letting time do the work. Here's the thing about the stock market that changed everything for me when I understood it.